Today I'm going to be creating a video in the back office of my Faceless Flipping. So I've just gone to ChatGPT, so I'm going to just show you how easy this is. Yeah. So let me just flip the camera so you can sort of see it here. So as you can see, ChatGPT here. Now I wanted something a little bit different this time. So I put, write me 12 separate prompts for a text to image AI software about the Gnome's secret Christmas adventures in great detail. So I'll let ChatGPT do its bit, and it's given me 12 prompts there, as you can see. And then all I have to do is take it over to the Faceless Flipping. You can watch this video, then it tells you exactly what you need to do. So it shows you here, after testing thousands of videos, we have found that 12 by 5 second clips work the best. Okay, so they've tested this and they've come up with the best way to create your video. So as you can see, I've created quite a few videos here. So that's just one of the advantages of having Diamond membership in the Faceless Flipping. Now, is it worth it? I would say yes, because it's all done for you. Now, I know I get a lot of people that likely ask me, you know, like, why do you create AI videos? You know, what's the whole thing about it? Now, I've got a few TikTok accounts, and I've got one that I show my face on, and I have a few out there that are faceless. Now, the whole point of it being faceless is because of the fact that I don't want to be putting my face on them, and it's through a particular type of niche. So yes, it is, you know, one of the best things to have AI create all these images for you. They create like splendid images. They create like brilliant videos out there. AI is like incredible these days, and it's only going to get better. So if you want to build your TikTok shop or have a TikTok creators account, then this is one of the ways to build it really, really quickly. Okay, so Faceless Flipping for Diamond memberships are helping you build your actual TikTok account to make it, you know, to make it qualifying for the creators account and to make it qualifying for the TikTok shop. So then you have your audience already there, and then you can start putting affiliate products and so on and selling stuff on there, as well as getting paid per click. I think you get paid $1 per 1,000 clicks on your video. Okay, per 1,000 views, should I say, not clicks. So if this sounds like it's something for you, then I suggest that you come on board and take a look at the link that I'm going to drop down below this video in the description, and just come and take a look. $27. You can come in and have a look for $27 and use their AI engine, and you'll get all the pictures and everything to set up your own TikTok account to start building. And then when you're ready to come up to Diamond level, then come on board and join the Diamond level. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video.